If you filed a mistake or need to correct the information on your 1099 or 1098 after filing, Tax2efile offers a correction option. First, select the 1099 or 1098 from the dashboard. Select your tax form from the drop-down list, and then select Correction. If you filed your 1099 with Tax2efile, you can select Yes and Continue. If you did not file with Tax2efile, select No and select the tax year you filed for. If your payer list is empty or does not show your information, select Add Payer to add a new payer to the list. On the Payer Information page, enter the name and tax ID of the payer entity. For the payer address, provide the address of the payer. Then click Save and continue to move on. When your payer has been added to the list, you can select eFile Correction, start correcting your return. If there is no businesses or individuals on your recipient list or you need to add a recipient, select Add Recipient. Under Recipient Information, enter the tax ID and name of the entity receiving payments. Then enter the recipient's address under the Address Information section. Under the Filer Information section, provide the amounts from the original 1099 return. Then select Save and Continue. You should now see your recipient along with the original amount filed. Select Save and Continue when ready to move on. Tax2efile allows users to file corrections to either the recipient's name and tax ID or the recipient's payment amounts. To correct the information from the original submission, select the pencil icon under the Edit column. Scroll down to the information you would like to correct and replace it with the new values. Select Save and Continue when finished. The corrected information should now be displayed in the table. Select the recipients you wish to file and click eFile Corrections. Review your information and select Continue when you are ready to file your corrected return. If your original 1099 or 1098 was not filed with Tax2efile, you will be prompted to pay an eFile service fee. Complete the payment details below and select Pay Now to complete your corrected return. Click Submit to confirm your submission. Thank you for using Tax2efile.